Hi, my people. Welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. Today is day 12. All right. Okay, so for today, we are not going to do much here, but you are going to implement all that we are learning. So, all that we've learned so far. All right. So, I want you to take the data sets in the description of this video and practice data cleaning from scratch. Learn how to remove duplicates, learn how to find blank spaces and fill it up, or change the color and fill it up. Formatting if you want to change everything to lower caps as well, and just trying to understand the data we have. All right, so that's the challenge for you today. Whilst I teach you, I also want you to implement it, and we will see you in our community to see if you are participating as well. All right, so I am going to show you how to get your data set. Okay, so when you go onto the link, please, is the link. When you click on the link, right, this is how you're going to see it. Don't this is how you're going to see it. My screen is dark mode, but it's loading. You're going to have the data set like this: warehouse and retail data set, right? All you need to do is come to this part, right, this icon here, and download it into your laptop. Okay, then you open it. It's downloading. It will take just some few minutes. Then you open it up. Okay, then you open it up and then you use it to work, and at the end you also have a clean data to work with and start your analysis as well. All right, so what we are looking out for All right, so what we are looking out for today is that you learn how to clean your data. So we've given you the data set, cleaning it up by removing duplicates, finding black space like from day 10, and filtering from day 11. Learn all this and master it as well. Is this the beginning? And these are things that you come across as you start your journey. I hope this helps, and I hope you are going to implement all that you are learning as well. All right, I feel today is a little bit shorter, but just take your time and understand the whole data cleaning process. The whole data cleaning process, again, I said, is not one shoe fits, right? It doesn't fit every data set. You have to study your data, understand it, and move with it, and then know where you need to put in the right information and where you need to take off the wrong information as well. So as we wrap up for today's challenge, I want to share the very beginning steps of data analytics with you, right? So I'm going to give you 4 beginning steps of data analytics process, right? So I say data analytics is a process, and I'm going to give you the very first 4 steps, and we'll continue, and I'll share another 4 steps some other time as well. So the very first step is to find your why, right? Your objective. Why are you doing the analysis? What are you looking for? What does the data talk about? You have to know your objectives. And when you get to know your objectives, set questions down that your insight would answer. Okay, set questions down that your insight will answer. And afterwards, step 2 is understanding your data so well. So you've used the data to create objectives, right? But then now take your time to know what the data is all about. Take your time to know what the data is all about. For you to be a great data analyst, you don't have to skip steps. Okay? You need to understand what your data is all about. What type of data is it? What is in here? What is in there? So that you can speak well. So that this can't be done by AI, but you can do it to know what is going on in your data, so that you can use AI as a tool again. All right, that's step 2. Step 3 is you cleaning your data. Okay, clean your data to it's good for you to use. That is, remove your duplicates, find your blank spaces, format it, put it in a table format, clean it so well that you can use it well. These are the very first 3 steps. You've not even gone into formulas and all those things. You have to understand all this. I hope it helps. Right, so I'm going to see you on day 13. We are going. I'm going to see you on day 13. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this. Please please share this channel to a friend so he or she benefits. Okay, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend that Miss Mailiana has dropped another video on 100 days challenge and you are learning data analytics from scratch. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave your comments in the comment section. I hope you no bore with me. I hope you are not mad at me, and hope you are learning so much. Thank you so much for joining us, and it's bye for now.